So, any volunteers, please? Abhishek, you want to volunteer? You put your number up there.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please go
Okay,
ahead.
sir.
Sir, before that, can you resolve my problem? I mean, I'm facing the issue that.
1 second, please. Let's restart. Abhishek, please share the screen. Yeah. So last week we finished task 1, and we will look at task 2. Have you tried it, Abhishek, already, or you're yet to try?
Yes, sir. I have tried, sir.
Very good, very good. Yeah, you have shared. Okay, so we will start afresh. Go to the beginning of task 2. That is no. Okay, go to the first line. Yeah. So you have copied your 22 images to. Okay. So mount the drive. Yeah, 1 second. Yeah, sir, there was somebody who wanted some help. What was it about, sir?
Yes, sir. I wanted some help regarding the training YOLO.
Okay, that's what we'll be going through this at an appropriate place. You ask me. We'll go through the task 2 now for the 22 images, right?
All right.
We will be splitting into training and test, and we'll be training the model and testing the whole thing. Whenever you do not understand something, please ask me. Okay.
Okay.
And again, we can revisit it at the end also once more. Okay. Yeah.
All right.
Yeah. So Abhishek.
Sir.
So first thing is, all of you mount the drive is the most important, because your program, Google Colab program, needs to get data from a Google Drive, and there must be authentication. That is the reason why. Okay, you can click that. And it will most likely take you there, and you say, is it okay, etc., etc., assuming you're already logged into that Gmail.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So basically, it is saying, do you have does it have your permission? You click on Abhitesh Budhani. Already you are logged in. So by saying yes, yeah, continue. Right. There was somebody who was saying they had an issue in connecting to Google Drive. Is that resolved?
Yes, sir.
Anyway, yeah.
Yes, sir. Actually, we need all the permission to be allowed, no? I mean.
Yeah. Okay, ma'am. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Next is move the import code to the top, sir. Don't run it. Just move it to the top. Move the screen to the top. Yeah. Okay. So basically, in this code, don't run it. In this code, what are we doing? We are basically, it has 22 images, I'm assuming, in this particular folder. You have also created an agri drones folder, is it, sir?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So in his agri drones plantation, 22 images. No, don't go, please stay. Unless I tell you, don't go. Right? Yeah. So he has 22 JPEG files, 22 TXT files, just like I had. He has downloaded and uploaded them. Now what we do is, in memory, we separate and keep their names alone. That's what we are doing in this code, which we explained last time. You can run it. So this will happen in fraction of a second or two. Run it, please. Because you are not actually copying the files, you're only copying the file names. Okay, 0 seconds. Yeah. Please move the next step to the top. Yeah. So here, what is that show difference? Is it happening on my machine or is it yours?
Sir, it is not saving, like it is showing saving failed since 12/22. I don't know why it is not saving any changes now. So every time I go to this and inline and then save the code like this.
Save your changes. Just click save your changes. Let's see what happens. Have you clicked the save your changes, sir?
Sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, wait till it disappears. 。 Okay, well, we'll discuss. Let's hope it finishes. Okay, so now basically we want to divide into 80-20 ratio. 70-30 is also common between training and testing. I'm assuming all of you have understood the significance of training and testing. You have this much of data with you, labeled data, and you're using part of it to train the model, another small part to test what you have trained here, the model. Okay, because you know the result, you'll hide the output, and you'll try to predict using the model for this testing part. If the two agree, you know that you have trained your model reasonably well. Okay, so next is image count. Okay, 80-20. We have created all these subfolders. Where do we create folders? You see that make diars. OS, you can click off the savings. Somebody pointed out there are permission issues. You've sorted that out separately. You can click the cross, the saving cross, yeah. Okay, so make diars, you are saying exists okay means it will create that folder if it does not exist. And it created all those images, train, test, labels, train, test, etc. Then go down, sir, after make diars. Okay, so you please run this. Please run this. So it makes all these directories and separates 22 into 80-20, which is 17 and 5. Okay, that is also quite fast because except making directories, you are not doing. Now, this is where you actually, I guess, you copy. Okay, so randomly select plus copy train images plus labels. Okay, same thing you do for test also. This will take time because actually copying the 17 images. Click this, sir. Okay, next one, test the 5 images and labels. And I mentioned that locale thing is something I found somewhere and did to fix some problem. Okay, next, training. Okay, this I don't think we did last time. Okay, so now we have got images, train and test, labels, train and test, right? Now, so basically, Ultralytics is a company that is hosting this YOLO. So we are importing YOLO from there, right? YOLO version 8 we are using, and it has version 9 also now. And there are nano, micro, all those kinds of models are there. We chose the 8 nano. We played around and this is what we did. Then next is .pt, pre-trained. So basically this YOLO model has been trained on other imagery, other samples. So you don't want to start just a blank thing with your training. You're already ready to take what they already know, plus you add your own data to it. So you are basically saying, give me that model, version 8, nano, what has already been pre-trained, v8n.pt. You can click this, sir. Okay. Have you clicked this? Yeah. Okay, you can go to the next code while this is still running. You can take me to the next block of code. Okay, so now here after that gets executed, what we will do is we'll take that VA10's pre-trained model and we say, look, we'll give you some more data, train yourself further. And what is the data we are giving? We are saying, look, we have a folder called images. Under that plan 22 images somewhere, we have all this stuff. Please train using that. Now, where do we tell all this? We say 100 times epochs, like 100 iterations, you can say. Patience is, at what level do you stop? If I stop improving, performance stops improving, no point going on 100 epochs. You can stop earlier also. Now, where do we tell the image, the training data is under images folder training. Labels train, that's where the training data is. Testing is in the other two folders. Where do we tell? That's what we tell in that YAML file. Abhishek, do you know what YAML file is? Abhishek?
Yes, sir.
What is YAML?
This is why.
No, what is YAML?
Yet another markup language.
Yeah, yet another text file. Yeah,
What is that? Yet another?
Markup language.
markup language.
Array, I'm asking Abhishek here. Why are other sounds? Okay. Yeah. Anyway, so please open this file. So basically, markup language is a kind of structured information sharing. XML, HTML, all these are markup languages. So YOLO came up with another thing so that, when I want pass on information to you, we need to agree on a structure, no? Okay. So you can download and open it in a notepad. Open with notepad. Okay. So here I had shared this in the groups or WhatsApp. So basically, what do you think is NC, Abhishek? What is 3?
Yes. 3 is 3 classes: dead, good,
Right.
stunted.
NC is number of classes. Okay.
Number of
I'm assuming. Okay. Names. What are the 3 names? 0 would be dead. 1 would be good. 2 will be stunted. Okay. This is
Yes,
how we
sir.
pass on information to it. Otherwise, it doesn't know what name should be. It can't guess, right? Okay. And then where are we saying the training data is? Where is it? In images train. And validation,
Yes, sir.
which is same as a test, is in images test. That's where you kept your data, right?
Yes, sir.
Assuming that's where your data is. Okay. And in the same folders, I'm assuming labels must be there. So you don't have to mention, labels will be there. Okay. This is how YOLO program knows where your data is. Okay. So now go back to your code. Code, please.
Yes, sir.
So in this part, I'm getting an error.
Just 1 second, sir. Go to the top, see if it is finished. Go to the top instruction, the va10.pt. 1 second, sir, Pratik. Okay, so it has completed. It took 2 full minutes to load that. Okay, go down, go to the next one where you build your own training.
Sir.
Yeah, so here we need to train our model. This is the key training part. You start this. This could take a little bit of time, right?
Sir, I need to reduce this epoch to less because it will take more time.
No, that's okay.
Or I will.
No, that's okay. It will take 2-3 minutes. Doesn't matter.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so once it starts getting into the epochs, we will start talking.
Sir, what is
Take it to
this parameter? Epoch and patience.
Which one, ma'am?
This epoch and patience. What is this parameter?
Yeah, so run for 100 epochs is you can almost think if it has 100 iterations, keep looping 100 times to keep improving. And patience 10 is what is written there. If you stop improving after 50th or 51st iteration, you stop there. So if you start keeping improvement, if the improvement flattens out, then it will stop prematurely before reaching 100.
Okay, sir, thank you.
Yeah, yeah. So can you go down, sir? I can't see what is going on. Yeah. So let us wait here and presumably it will start doing epoch 1, 2, 3 like that. That should come. Okay. So Pratik sir, what was your problem? So now 1 second, sir. Epoch 1 is running. Okay. And watch out the number for box P. Okay. Box P is 1.859 or something. Let's see. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now second epoch is running and keep an eye on the box P number. Okay. Pratik sir, you were saying you had some trouble.
Yes, sir. While running this code box, I'm getting error as in value error. So it's telling me check if the data set is all boxes or all segments. Like it's saying not enough values to unpack. Basically, it's saying that like image ignoring cut-off image labels. Something like
Right. So there was some message about corrupt images, etc.
that. Right, sir.
When I got all that I could do was sometimes it comes across NAN and things like that. So I just simply downloaded again and it ran and the error used to go away.
Sir, you downloaded what again?
I basically redid the whole step once more.
Okay.
Okay. And that error used to go away the few times that I got such errors. Okay.
Okay, sir.
If it still doesn't work after 1, 2, 3 times, then we
Right.
need to worry what happened. Okay.
Sir, I tried it 2-3 times and it didn't work.
Okay.
I also tried with Kaggle.
Yeah, you can share the screen after this and then we'll go through, sir, to see what happened. Okay.
Okay.
There's no alternative to starting from scratch and doing it all over again. Okay. So now if you see box P in epoch 5 is 1.389. Is that the number we should go after? Anyway, it has to go on for a while. Let's see. Let's wait.
Excuse me, sir.
Ah.
Sir, so for 1-2 times I have making the collab notebook. So the problem I'm facing is it's not making a new file that it is supposed to make for the separate images and annotations. This has happened 2-3 times. I have deleted the older collab notebook, redid the whole step, but it's still giving the same error. So what can I do for that?
Yeah. So one is make sure you have enough space in your drive and things like that, ma'am.
Yeah, it's there, sir. I'm sure I've checked all the
So then you'll have
parameters.
to share and we'll have to go through and see. Another approach I have seen is most of the time people do is just cut and paste that message in Google and Google will tell you some answer. Somebody else would have answered that question. Whatever error you are getting, if there's an error. Otherwise, you share your screen after the other gentleman and we'll
Okay,
have to
sir.
just do investigation.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
So with the
Yeah, go on, please.
with the submission, how do you want us to upload the notebook? Like it says, like we have to take a snapshot of the collab notebook.
Right. So basically, either the what epoch, what percentage you can get, you can show. If you manage to run on a sample image 23, what is the output that you got for the 23rd image I have shared, right? Anything you can do. For example, what this line is showing. So there's a 23rd image that we run this model on.
I've tried to take the entire snapshot of the Google Collab notebook, but it's quite small, and I just try to fit that in
That's
like a
being too
single.
theoretical, sir. Just to do whatever works. What
Okay.
is readable and right? So if you can just give me even 1-2 epochs, that's enough. If you can run it on 23rd image and give, that's enough.
Thanks.
Yeah.
Sir, how much time this iteration, take around approx?
So I'm surprised it's taking so long. Maybe you have not enabled the GPU, sir. Possibly.
It is taking around 15 minutes.
No.
Anytime when I did.
No. So go to the top right. You see the word RAM there?
Yes, sir.
So click on that, connect it to a, wait, connect a custom GC. I remember seeing some kind of,
Change
Yeah,
runtime type, sir.
Runtime type.
uh,
Change runtime type.
change
Change runtime
runtime
type.
type. Second one, please. Click the second one. Have you clicked it, sir?
yes, sir.
Yeah. So here you should go for GPU. You are running on CPU. So T4 GPU you can take. Yeah, disconnect and delete runtime. Okay. Save.
Okay, sir, save.
Anyway, so that's what you're supposed to do. And there, okay, we will switch to another gentleman. So the one who is having problem, they can share their screen. Who was it? Who wanted to? You can unshare, sir. Abhishek, sir.
Sanjay Kumar,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah, Sanjay Kumar, sir. Please go ahead, share.
Is it visible, sir?
So up to where you have you executed, sir?
Sir, I enabled the T4 GPU. Now I'm running it again, so its installation is taking. So, sir, the error I am getting is here, sir.
No. Go to the top. So has it installed now?
No, sir, it's installing. It is taking a bit long.
Yeah, I think it takes a minute too. Okay, but this goes on. This you are able to pip install, and then you have to do the model YOLO V8. Have you done that?
Yeah, here it is.
No. Go to the top where it is. What it is running now. Let me see.
This cell is running, sir.
Pip install. What is that? Okay, you are installing Ultralytics. So that itself is taking time, you're saying.
Yeah, it's done.
Finished. Next from import YOLO. This works, right?
Yes, sir.
What is that one model? What is that one? Okay, that's a line number, is it? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So you're getting
So,
that. That's also over. 1 second.
yeah.
So you have got your YOLO V810. Now you are trying to train. 1 second. Can you show me your YAML files?
It's here, sir.
And epoch should be 100, right? Anyway, so date train
Just for testing.
images train test image. Can you show me your GIS folders?
Yes.
No, 1 second. Okay, go on. Click on GIS. Okay, plantation. Okay, click on images. Labels.
Yeah.
Okay, so we have all this. And where is the YAML file itself?
Here it is, sir.
Yeah, it is under collapse the images and labels. Okay, so you can shorten this box and close that YAML file. Okay.
Okay, can I run it
Now,
now, sir?
1 second. Can you increase the epochs to 100?
Okay, sir.
Okay. And T4, can you show what you have chosen? Top right.
It's a GPU, sir.
Click on the drop down. Click on the drop down button. Yeah. Connect to a hosted runtime T4. Your click on that type. Okay, T4 GPU is what you chose. Okay, cancel. Okay, close that right side one. Click on your GIS folder once.
Yeah. Yeah.
No, collapse them all. Collapse them. What are you planning to do? Yeah.
The GIS folder.
Yeah. So
Excuse me,
open
sir.
you open the
This
22 images train test, please.
This one, sir?
Yeah.
Okay.
Expand it. Okay. So data. Okay. So let's now try running it. See what happens. Saying this is where you will get error. You are saying, sir.
Yes, sir.
What error do you get?
It was showing that warning. It was showing that 17 images are corrupt.
I see.
Okay.
So did we get past that error, or is going to come now?
It has come, sir. It says here it says 17 files are corrupt.
Okay. So can you go into the images, please? Can you go in the folder? Go to images.
Okay.
No, not here. Not here. Where you were. Right. No, you were somewhere, right? Yeah. Expand the images folder. Expand the train folder. Right. Double click on 0084.jpg. Double click on it.
So meanwhile, like, will we having a grace period for today's assignment, or like, or 1 day or something?
Hey, 1 second. That image came. So the image is all right. Okay, go back to the warning, sir. Close this file. 1 second. Next to the cross, yeah. Click that cross and close it. No, just close it, please. Let's not play around with it. Yeah, you can always open. Can you expand that size and then close it, please? Go to the right, expand the window. Go to the right. Right side. Okay.
No, sir, there is no window here.
Because you have not, there's no way to increase the size. You have decreased the size, right?
Let me check.
No, if you hover there, you're not getting it, is it? Okay, doesn't matter. Okay,
Yeah.
so let us look at your warning. So it says 84 is okay. It is 85 which is bad, right? Maybe 85, 86 is saying bad. 84 is not calling it bad. 84 also ignoring corrupt.
Yes, sir. It is saying here it is.
Ignoring corrupt image. Code cannot. Okay, UTF-8. Did you run UTF-8, sir? Go back to your UTF-8 code above. Show me where you ran the UTF-8 code.
This one.
You ran it, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So go back to that where you got that corrupt image, sir. We'll try to put it in Google and try to see. Go for the 85 image, ignoring corrupt image label. UTF-8 cannot decode. You can highlight that whole image. Warning, ignoring. No, not that whole thing. Start with ignoring and up to the end of that sentence. That sentence alone. Yeah. Okay, copy it and post it in Google and let's see what we get. Ignoring corrupt image label, somewhere it's saying, no?
This is YOLO, sir.
Right. No. Go to the very top in Google. You have put inverted commas. What did you get?
This one?
Yeah, one second. Ignoring corrupt image label UTF-8. Okay, second one, can you click? Have you clicked the second one, sir?
Yes, sir.
What happened? Stack Overflow, first one. Okay, can't decode. Is that what you had? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Go to the top. Error, Unicode, UTF correct, can't decode. Okay. When compiling. Wait. Now go to the top, please. Let me see what the error they have got. Can't decode byte. Is that what we got?
Similar one, sir.
Okay. Python, okay. Can't decode, okay. Can't decode byte. So, okay. Go to the answers. Python tries to convert a byte array. Okay, each byte is 1 pixel to a Unicode string. This process, of course, is decode this in a fashion like this. Okay, 1 second. So while with open path RB as F, contents equal to F read. Are we trying to read a file? Go back to, I guess YOLO is doing it. We are not doing it. Go to your code.
Yes. YOLO has this file, sir. This data set.py. I think this is doing it.
I'm not able to see why it is happening, sir. I have not had this problem before. Anybody here who has had this problem and managed to fix it? What is 11.n, 11n.pt? We have, no, go to the top, stop.
Okay.
Downloading to, no, stop, no? When you stop, we can think. Yeah. So downloading YOLO 11n.pt. Are we using 11 nano? Is that what it is saying?
It is saying, sir, but we are not using it. We are using YOLO V8 answer.
Okay, but why is it saying anybody who has had this problem and solved this corrupt image? Anybody else who has had this corrupt image issue? Stop, sir, don't move. Anybody else who has had this issue?
Yes, sir, same issue.
So did you manage to overcome, or it continues to be like this?
No, sir, I have like tried 2-3 times, but
What is that, sir?
I tried 2-3 times, like logging in, logging out, but it's still showing the same.
Yeah. One more thing. Did you, for example, the 22 images you took from my folder, I guess. So you would
Yes.
have downloaded and then uploaded, right? In
Yes,
the
sir.
download, upload, you repeated also, but no improvement.
No, sir, none.
Excuse me, sir. May I share my code? I was facing the similar kind of issue.
And then it got fixed, or it did not get fixed?
Yes, it was fixed.
What did you do to fix it?
I'll just share the code in chat box, sir.
No. What did you introduce some code into it, or what?
Yes, I added some code regarding UTF and 8 encoding.
Okay, so 1 second. Go to who is sharing the screen now?
Pallavi.
I am sharing, sir.
No, who
I
is
will
sharing
stop
the
sharing.
screen now?
I was sharing, sir. I am sharing, sir.
Okay, so go to that VUTF-8 code. Okay, so currently, before we went to VA10, we were using this get preferred encoding. So this is what I was saying. No, I just Googled and got this error, and this fixed for me. But this fix is not for fixing for him. What is the code you tried, Pallavi ma'am? Can you put in chat window, please?
Yes, sir, sure.
So take her code from chat window and try to. You're changing the code, sir. What are you doing now? Control Z. You change the code, is it, sir? Okay.
Just a line, sir. I thought it's.
One solution
Try anything
from
unless
Google.
we discuss, sir. It is impossible to, as it is, it's enough headache.
So one solution from Google.
Yeah. So Pallavi ma'am, have you put what is that line?
Yes, sir, I have added the code into chat window.
Okay. So this whole thing you have added, is it?
Yes, sir.
What are you trying to do in this?
So basically, I'm just trying to change the annotation files. Uska encoding basically.
Okay. So the now when we Googled Sanjay sir, when we Googled, we saw some 2 lines, right? Just go to those 2 lines and let's compare with the chat window what ma'am has given. So with open path RB as F, okay, contents equal to, what is contents? Okay, so let's compare that line with what ma'am is doing. Go to chat window code.
So one easy solution from Google, sir.
Sir, what ma'am is doing is ma'am is opening the file, and I think then she is saving the file.
Okay, so what are you saying, sir, Varun sir?
So Google is suggesting use Latin -1, sir, L capital.
No, that's what. So I randomly got UTF-8 and it worked for me.
So basically, what happens when we use the text file? Sometimes the marker is added in the beginning of the text files. We are just trying to remove that.
Okay. So
How
now is there no one standard way we can overcome all this?
So maybe some setting in his laptop, so the locality choice. Windows settings.
No. Where is his laptop coming? He's just downloading the image from my folder and uploading his Google folder, na?
Yes, sir.
Linux or something, carriage return, those things come into play.
Oh, I see. Yeah. That is true.
Sir, actually, I thought the system is the problem, and then what I
Yes,
did
sir.
is I directly copied the files from your folder to my drive. I mean, directly from Google.
Even then, the problem continues.
Yeah, even then the problem is there.
Excuse me, Sanjay sir, can you just show your text files, the folder side?
Wait, ma'am.
So I have run the code on MacBook. It ran smoothly with UTF-8.
So mine is also MacBook. UTF-8 is the thing that works for me.
Yes, sir. So that is what Google is saying. On some Windows systems, it may run with GBK or Latin 1.
Okay, so let us try Latin 1. Ma'am, your code is longer. We will prefer the Latin 1 fix. If it doesn't work, we'll come to your code.
No problem, sir.
Because your code is frighteningly big.
Yeah.
Okay. So, boss, sir, Sanjay sir. Oh, Latin one. Varun sir, whoever said Latin one, give him the exact spelling.
Yes, I put in the chat windows. Is either GPK in small or Latin with L capital -1.
Two of you guys are saying, so it should be correct. So L capital Latin one, let us go for Latin. L capital ATIN-1. Is this correct, sir?
Yes, sir. I put in chat windows.
I know, but I know.
Oh, check, sir.
Yeah. Looks correct. Run it, sir.
Should I run this also?
Oh, wait. Hopefully not. You click and it will hopefully not take 1 minute. Run it anyway. Pip install.
It will not take some time.
Yeah.
Okay.
Already it gave error, sir. Wait.
Get lotting one. What was the other one?
It requires UTF-8.
GPK.
There is no space between 1 dash and 1, in case you have put. Just check once.
Sir, you just copy from chat. Never trust your own hands. You better do Google comment. Control-C, Control-V.
But the error message says that it's need UTF-8.
Possible.
So
it's very much possible. You are right. You are right.
It will not say solve it.
I understand what you are saying. Correct. Next is we'll try GPK and then we will go. Yeah.
Actually, what Pallavi ma'am has suggested, I think that might be the actual solution because
maybe. We'll do that right
the
now.
marker is the issue.
Yeah. So go back to UTF-8, sir. Go back to UTF-8. Run it. Then create a new line there. Right after that locale, do a click on plus. Okay, now copy Pallavi ma'am's chat window code. Hopefully as it is, ma'am, or you want us to change? Hopefully not, because we don't understand what you got. Okay, copy this. We'll try to understand a little bit. Okay, clean annotation files directory. What directory, ma'am, here?
Sir, he needs to update his directory of labels according to his path.
Acha. So type directory is equal to, that's very good. Equal to, what will you put, ma'am, here? So that annotation 22 train test images. Okay, take from line 3, sir. Take from line 3. Take from line 3.
Okay.
Line 3, next one. Take that whole path from contents. Why have you moved, sir? Yeah. Exclude the quotes, or include the quotes. We don't know, whatever. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Is this what you meant, ma'am? Pallavi, ma'am? Anyway, hopefully
Yes,
it will
and
work.
second one, the line number 16 and 18.
16 and 18, yes. 16 and 18 should be changed to the location he has the files. We don't need to define the
Locations
directory
of the
again.
labels, train
Okay,
test.
okay. The first part up to test you change, sir. No, not everything. No.
Labels only, sir.
Go to 16.
Okay.
From slash contents until test change.
I am copying the path, sir.
Okay.
Is this fine?
Okay, run it and we'll find out. So you're basically reading and writing the files all over again.
Yeah, that's what the code is doing, and
even this is failing.
Correcting the
read lines itself is failing. Huh?
Sir, I think we need to maintain indents once properly.
What is that, ma'am?
Indent. I think it was a problem with the indentation.
Oh. But we copied, no, from your code, ma'am?
But still, while copying, maybe sometimes the things get shifted.
Okay, let's go line by line. What is it saying? Clean annotation files. Can't decode. Again, same. Okay, in line 20, should we go UTF lowercase? or is it case instance? In the above UTF-8.
Now it should run because earlier the directory was not there, the variable. So once we defined it, I think that might be the problem. Let's run the code once and see.
No, this directory is I think this train annotation directory, because this is parameter.
Anyway, just run it once. What is direct? Oh, I see. It's a function. Okay, right. You're perfect. You're right. Okay, directory. Okay. What is complaining about line files? File UTF-8.sig and
Line number 7, please check.
go back to your code, sir. Line 7, ma'am is saying. And another gentleman
After
saying,
UTF, some dash SIG is mentioned.
what happened? We are not seeing the read lines. The dot sig was there in your code also, ma'am. Was it there?
Yes, sir, it was there in ma'am's
UTS file. So basically, what's the conclusion? He copied from my Google Drive to his Google Drive. He's running.
It's working, sir.
Working, huh?
It's working.
But what is the reason? What did we do?
He changed it to Latin one.
So it needs both the corrections.
Okay.
Yeah, so because of the Windows, I think Latin one, and MAMS was maybe a different operating system.
Okay. So now this is our line work. Now you go to pip install.
Okay, this works.
Yeah. So go to the next lines, please. Yeah. Okay. That because it's already there, it's okay. Then yeah, now doing pre-train. That also is ready. Now model.train hopefully will work. Click this 100. Yeah.
Now it says okay.
Yeah. So increase it to 100 and run, sir. I hope you have T4 only. Yeah. Error again.
Yeah.
Again error.
Yes,
So
sir.
this code is working fine in my laptop. No need to
That's what,
change
ma'am. It
anything.
is laptop dependent. Some Mac and UTF-8, Latin, all that. Anyway, so
Okay, ignoring corrupt. List index out of range.
again corrupt only. Corrupt. Huh?
No, sir. Now it's list
Just
index out
scroll
of
it up,
range.
please. Just scroll it up.
Okay.
He's showing some on the left side. Just hold.
Yeah.
Yeah. Go down. How many epochs? No epochs.
Okay, 100 epochs.
Just reading the images itself, this is where we had error earlier. It said UTF-8 is a problem, 0xFF. Now we have come to index out of range. Okay, post that image also. Somebody will tell you what that is. Ignoring corrupt image from ignoring to out of index out of range. Anyway, so change the computer.
This code is running properly, sir. It is showing output properly.
But you said it is error, right? Okay, if it is running fine, let's not go back. Go back to your code, sir. Is it working fine? You said?
No, sir. It's still giving error.
What's the error it says?
This one, sir. List index out of range.
Okay.
How many
Somebody
epochs has it
said what you might have to do, Sanjay sir, is just go all over again, mount the drive again, and do this. Because at least
Okay, sir.
the code in between was working, no? What ma'am gave. with that Latin one and all that stuff. Hopefully that combination will fix it for you.
Sir, I will share.
Yeah,
Meanwhile,
just log out and log back in and all that. Okay, that you can do. Yeah.
So can I share the
So,
output, sir?
Yeah.
so,
1 second, sir. Varun sir, 1 second. What happened, ma'am?
So, good evening, sir. Sir, can we use Jupyter Notebook instead of Colab?
You can try, ma'am. I mean, I have not tried. I tried Google Colab and I was quite fine. But if you want to Jupyter, no problem. Your choice.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Varun sir, you can share your screen.
so one more doubt is there.
Sure, ma'am.
Sir,
You
actually,
go
I'm
ahead and
getting
share, Varun sir. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
yeah, I'm getting warnings of no label found in detect set. But then, actually, when I go to the label folders, label ke andar also I have test and this thing, and in that folders I have the contents. But then why is it coming up with the warnings? I don't understand.
Yeah, we will see, ma'am. We'll just have one code, one working, and then we'll come to you. Okay.
Okay.
Varun sir, are you sharing screen?
Yes, sir, sharing, sir.
Okay, let's go to where you do model.train. You can close everything on the right hand side, sir. It's too small. Close the right hand side windows. Maximize the central window. Yeah.
Is it okay, sir?
No, make it full screen. We can't read.
Okay.
We can't read anything. Yeah. Can you? Is there any way you can? I can zoom in with my mouse, but if you can make the font size bigger, that would be nice. Go to View or Tools. Yeah. And make it 20.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. So now go to model.train. Have you? What is this? Is Google Colab, right? Yeah.
Google Colab, sir.
Okay. Go down. So you have it all in one code piece, is it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then don't run it because that will take time. Go show your results. Okay, go to the last epoch. How many epochs did it run before
100, sir. Run successfully run 100.
Went all the way to 100, is it? So basically,
Yes.
actually, we put patience 10 something, no? So basically,
I
once
put patience. So I had to put patience 0 because when it's 10, it stopped at 29, saying that the efficiency is not increasing anymore. So
Okay.
automatically stopped it. So this code itself told either you take it to 300 or make it 0. So I made it to 0.
Achha, what is the efficiency you got when you ran 100 times, sir?
So it's 0.0008.
So which
The
is
code
like
automatically
low, no?
stopped it, saying that there is no great change in efficiency, so we are stopping here.
But that is very low, right? When you say
That's very low, so yes.
box P is 000 something, is it?
Yes, sir.
I used to get
Then
that
I tried. So then I tried Epoch 50 only. It came a similar one. Epoch 100 also gave a similar one. Then I made it patience 0 and ran it for 100 epoch. The image came. So this image is with 100 epochs, sir.
Okay, but the
I have the screenshots.
Okay, so basically we are getting a 23rd image. We chose another image and we
Yes,
are
sir.
running the model on that and we are looking at what objects it detected. So it seems to have detected the trees, but if you look at the picture alone, can you zoom to the picture, the full picture?
This is a full picture, sir.
Can you give me the whole picture I can see?
Oh, 1 minute, sir. I'll just open the picture separately.
No. Just right here, can you zoom out?
Actually, I've zoomed one. I'll go call this thing.
Yeah, it will be there actually in your left folder. It will be there. Yeah, actually open your left side, that menu, sir. That figure will be there somewhere.
Left side, sir. Okay.
You open the folder.
Yes,
yeah, that folder icon. Okay, so somewhere runs. Go to runs. Detect. Somewhere this image will be there, sir. Predict maybe.
This one, sir.
Yeah.
Predict,
Click
predict
that. Click that. 0.
Double click.
predict free or whatever. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Look, yes,
So
got it.
now you open that, right? Increase
Yes,
the
sir.
window.
Is visible, sir?
Can you increase the right side column? Because that's what we want to focus on, right? Yeah. So, okay. So this is what the image it is saying. Now it seems to have detected most of the trees. In the middle, it ignored some. So
Yes,
maybe one more thing is, it is looking at all the good ones. I remember somehow somebody managed to get the other classes also in.
Yes, there are two more classes. I'm not able to get them. It is dead and there one more. So.
Right. Yeah.
So on the
So
YML script, it is there, but I'm not able to read it.
one of them is too low probability, so it won't training data something, but others we could have got anyway. And one more thing, we are not bothered about efficiency here in this pilot one, but if you see the numbers it gives, good 0.55 as opposed to good 0.83.
Yes, sir.
No, don't zoom in. Stay there. You see good 0.55.
Yes, sir. Top.
Good 0.83. Now, what is the difference between these two? I mean, why does it think the left guy is 83 and the right guy is 55?
Shade only, sir. Shade, green shade.
So that seems to be a little more parrot green than this guy. Huh?
Yes, sir.
The canopy size is quite good. Anyway, so this is how we did it. Now, so we have had two problems in this code so far. One is that corruption issue, UTF-8, Latin, GVK, all that. So basically, when you store image, a binary one in a text format, there is some kind of string writing of a byte value, right? So basically, when you write in binary format, it stays binary, but then moving binary data across systems could be a little issue. Size also an issue. Maybe that's why they might have gone for text format, strings, etc. Then this encoding issue comes. That we have not fully figured out because some people are still having issue. So I guess it is trial and error. I tried UTF-8 long time back and it worked for me. Ma'am pointed out Latin, GPK or something, GSB or whatever. And for sir, it was working. For Sanjay Kumar sir, it was working now. Looks like it will work fully. Then that is one issue. That whole encoding is one issue. And we have not fully figured out, except we know there are some fixes here and there. Second thing is, how good are these models, right? So basically, what are these numbers? Why has it not got the other two classes? Okay, all these we need to look at, but we won't. Okay, so this is just an introduction, and whatever we don't get to do now becomes your homework, right? So this is just yeah. Any other things other than these two doubts that we have?
Can we get an extension, the ones that are getting the encoding error?
I think so.
No. Let's just submit with encoding error itself. Okay, because now for me to go to NPTEL, give a specific extension will be a nuisance. Huh? Okay. You just submit with the error and we will see. Okay.
That's fine.
So last time
sir, by today itself, or maybe you told me that tomorrow also you are going to extend, no?
No, we have not committed anything. That's what sir is asking. Submit what you have got now.
Today itself.
Yeah. There is still midnight is 4 hours away. So anyway, please try what you can and submit, sir. Okay. Yeah.
Sir, what about the problem where I'm getting no labels found?
No labels found. That's what, ma'am. So that is something different from this encoding. Encoding is working for you, but it's saying labels, it doesn't work.
Can
yeah,
I
but
unshare
actually
so you
there
can show
are
the code?
images in the label also. Test and this thing folders have been created inside label, and I'm having images also in that. But then I'm getting this no label found error.
Okay, sir, you can share your screen and show me, Pallavi, ma'am.
Yeah,
sir. Varun, sir, you can unshare, sir. Somebody else was asking something, sir.
Sir, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, for that label issue, Pallavi madam can check if the label is in the same folder of the training and testing images.
Yeah, we will see when she shares. We will see.
Yeah, I'm just sharing my screen. Just 2 minutes.
So I'm sure train has both images has both train and test, labels as train and test. That's how it should be.
So is my screen visible?
Has started screen sharing. We don't see it. Now we see. Okay. Show us in the left hand side Google Drive where your images and open the Drive folder.
The Drive folder.
Yeah. Above, ma'am. Above. Expand the Drive folder above. There's a word Drive.
Can you scroll it up? There's a warning.
Yeah. My Drive.
Yeah, that's a warning actually.
My Drive.
My Drive.
Go to wherever your images and labels folder is. Yeah.
I think it's not found the YAML file only.
Okay.
YAML file is there. Sir.
No. Please go down. No, don't open any further. Yeah. Okay. Where is your YAML file now?
In this folder.
It's supposed to be in train folder, test folder.
That's
Test
okay.
folder.
No. You can put
But
it
I've given the
wherever.
link of this YAML file, so that's
Yeah.
fine.
Open that file, ma'am.
So this file.
That has to be edited.
Double click it. Yeah. Okay. Can you make it visible? Can I read that file by expanding that column? No. Don't try here. No.
Just drag that window.
No, ma'am. Just go to the right and expand that window, please.
This window?
Go to the right, ma'am. Go to the right. Do you see that file appearing there? Yeah.
Yes.
Expand it. Okay. So you're saying 3 plantation test data 22 train test. Train test. Okay. So go to train, ma'am. Expand the train on the left hand side. No. See, here itself there's a problem, ma'am. Expand the train.
The train I have expanded.
No, wait. It's not there.
No. Now there's a label.
Scroll down.
No, that is a problem. No. So it expects. See, train
Scroll
and
down.
val. No. 1 second, sir. In YAML file, train and val, there are 2 folder paths. Ma'am, no, don't move anywhere, ma'am. Just stop moving the cursor. Take your hands off of the cursor.
Yeah.
In the YAML file, train and val, you are giving line 3 and line 4 some information. Don't move the cursor, ma'am. Take your hand off the cursor.
Yeah.
Okay. So line 3 and 4, you are giving 2 folder names.
Yeah.
Right? Those 2 folder names corresponding to where the images are.
Yes.
Right next to them, it expects a folder called labels. Is what I thought. Okay. So, because if you saw what Sanjay sir was sharing, if you see the YML file, he just followed whatever I gave him. Right?
Okay.
So, from what I remember, whatever structure I had, you have to mimic, ma'am.
But sir, there the problem was that I was getting a folder called as data -22 images instead of only
1 second,
images.
ma'am. 1 second. In the YAML file that I gave, you are telling where images are, but you don't tell where the labels are. Because the YOLO is going to blindly look in a certain place for labels based on what you told where the images are. Right?
Okay.
So that you are not following in your folders, I see.
Okay.
You understood what I'm saying, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
So because we are not specifying labels, you have to assume that YOLO is following its own logic, which we can't change it from to locate labels. And it is not finding labels and complain. Okay, I don't know the exact details of where your folder structure
Excuse me,
is.
sir, may I?
But if you dig in, I'm sure you will be able to finish it, figure it out. Is that okay, ma'am? Pallavi, ma'am?
Yeah. But sir, that is the location of YAML also specifically where I have to keep
No,
it
no,
where?
no. Location of YAML can be wherever you want because you are giving the file path. Okay.
Yeah.
Whereas images also can be wherever you want because you are giving it in the YAML. Whereas
Yes.
labels will be derived by YOLO from what you give so far, whatever we discussed now, and that you cannot change. You have no say. Right?
Okay. So
Is that fine?
basically, content of YAML should be as it is, whatever you have shared.
Not really, ma'am. The labels have to be in a certain way to images.
Whether your labels folder is into this parent folder, can you just scroll a bit?
Anyway, she will figure it out, ma'am. Yeah. Yeah. Now, what are the other doubts? Pallavi, Sai, something you have any doubt, ma'am?
No, ma'am. No, sir. I'm done with it.
Okay.
Thank you.
I'm sure we have given enough time to Pallavi, Gangurde. Sorry, huh? Okay.
Yes,
so you figure out if you still have, you message into whatever groups, ma'am. Okay. Because it requires close investigation, all that. No? At least 5-10 minutes.
Yes, I'll do.
Yeah. Anybody else who has still doubts?
Sir, one question, sir. Why aren't we using the latest YOLO 9 for our model?
Sure, sir. Actually, what happened, my students did try 9 also, but we didn't see any improvement. So you can try, sir. Now somebody said we saw 11 also. I don't think there is 11.
No, 9, sir. 9
we
is
saw 11
maximum.
somewhere. You saw? Okay. But maybe it is there. So it's just
YOLO 12 is out, sir.
Yeah.
YOLO 12 is out.
Yeah, there's something called bleeding edge. Okay. So basically, when we moved to V9, we didn't see improvement, for example, for our data set.
Okay. Yes, sir.
And we are not, this is just a preliminary thing, sir. We are not going by these efficiencies. These efficiencies are useless for us. Okay. And we have some 253 images. We have 2,400 images of a whole village. So our problem sets are totally different. I'm just previewing you with some 22 image sets so that it can run in real time for the class.
Yes.
Okay. So this is, LKG stuff. Hopefully all of you will move to your PhDs very soon. Okay. Any other quick doubts we can discuss?
Sir, initially this desktop is asking for permission, no? When we start Colab.
Drive, yes.
So we have clicked all some 8 or so. So how can we remove that? I mean, every time whenever we access this, it will ask. So is it safe or not?
No. Google Drive, you mean you want to give a permanent permission?
This particular, when I was executing this, it was asking for permission. I have given, then my code was successful. First one, 8.1. So my question is it safe for further this thing? Giving
No, I didn't
permission.
get you at all.
Sir,
Like
what you're saying is what she's asking.
No, say again, ma'am.
Sir, some data we are sharing with them, no, desktop.
Okay, you are sharing your Google Drive to your Google Colab, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
It is your Gmail to your Gmail. What Gmail is doing with your data, we have no clue. What it is doing with your emails. Is that what you're asking?
No, some permission. Technically, it was asking some permission I have given, but I was thinking that is it safe or not? In the beginning.
No, I never question Google, ma'am. Google and God are same to me. Okay, because we have surrendered to Google. But anyway, if somebody else has some useful information to ma'am, please go ahead and share, sir. Varun sir or somebody had comment to make.
Forgot the question, sir. Sorry.
No. Basically, ma'am is giving access to her Google Drive to her Google Colab.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Is there any
it's
issue?
absolutely safe. It's your folder. You are giving it to.
Your Google it. Anyway, Google has got all your things.
And there's nothing secret also. There's nothing to worry about.
Yeah.
I try to select one by one, but I could not do that way. But they are reading some activities and other things from whatever the activities you are doing that we need to try out. Basically, some of the for our personal privacy or anything, you can move it bit by bit or step by step. That's a proper way, but I just gave all the permission.
And hide things from Google, sir, is what I found. Anyway, better not to tell Google all your activities, ma'am. Yeah.
Yes, thank you, sir.
Anyway, I have no answer, as you know. Yeah. Okay, thanks everyone. and please do submit whatever you got, and we will take it leniently. So next week we'll be looking at crop detection. The challenge between crop and plantation. In plantation, when we train a canopy. Okay, this is a good tree, this is a stunted tree. But when you have a large crop areas, how do we do the whole crop and say this is sugar cane, or how do we do it? We took a different approach. We will explain when we meet next class. Okay, that's what we will look at. Yeah, thanks everyone.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.